Beyond the horizon, a predator emerges. Silent, observant, lethal. An apex hunter of its domain. It occupies space normally denied by nature, holding still like lightning trapped between cloud and earth, waiting to be released. Its senses are extraordinary, perceiving in every direction at once. Sight, sound, heat, and movement merge into a single instinct. When the moment comes, it does not announce itself. The prey never hears the wings. By the time danger is understood, the hunt is already over.